Hello student, in this video we will learn a few points. We will learn how to search in Google. We will learn how to copy text from browser or from web pages to Word files. And we will learn how to save web pages, how to save pictures from the internet, and how to print web pages. The first point, how to search in Google. Let's open Google. This is Google. If we need to search about anything in Google, just you can write the name. For example, I'll look for, there is something called typography. This is just an example. You can write about anything, but instead of typing or searching about this, no, I want any for example Word file that talk about this title. So you can go to advanced search. Now we will do something called search by data or by data file or file type. Here I will tell it the file file type is I will say Word. I'll click advanced search. Sorry, go back. Here I should write the word typography. You notice we have here many options. So here I'll choose Microsoft Word. Also you can choose the time about this title in the last month. So advanced search, you will see here all of these research talk about typography, and they are Word files, and they are posted last month. So look, when I click here, it will start downloading the Word file automatically. You see, this is a Word file, consists of 392 pages, and this is Word file. Now this is how we search in Google. We search by the file type, we search by the date, last month, last year, for example, and you can do whatever you want. Also you can, if you need to search about, for example, PowerPoints about typography, you just need to write typography and .bbtx. This is the extension of PowerPoint files. So I'll click enter. Look, it will give you many things about typography, but actually we don't have a lot of things about it in PowerPoint. Last month, look, we have here HP gaming, PC and laptops detailed document. So these may be files that has or include this word. Also you can change last year, last month, last hour, anything. Also you can go here. Do you remember when we talk about categorized, we say Google's results are categorized? So here it will show all the results. If you want only images, I'll click on images about this title. If you want only videos about this, you click on videos. If you want news about typography, you click on news. There is nothing about typography in news last month. So this is how we search in Google. Actually, this is some points, and so Google has many things to talk about in searching. You can do it yourself. You can write here how to search in Google, and you will find many websites that explain how you type in the best. How you search in the best way. So let's go to point number 2. How to copy text from browser to Word file. So here I will go back to all. I will remove this extension. Here we have, for example, I have this in Wikipedia. It's an encyclopedia that includes everything in Google. So I'll just go to this title. let's assume I have a research in about typography and I need to copy it to Word file. For example, for you, maybe the biology teacher will give you a research about anything, or the physics, or the math teacher. So you can search about it in Google, and I will teach you now how to copy text from the websites to a Word file. And then after that, you can format the Word file or reorganize it, and then you submit it to your teacher. So this is an article about typography. Here I will assume I need only the first part, so I will select all of these text until here. If I need to do to copy it, right click on the text and click what? Copy. Now I will go to open Word file. This is Word file, and then I right click and you choose paste, or from here from paste. I will just keep click on this one. Maybe it will take times because the copying from the internet, it takes some time. This is what I copied from Google, but you will notice here I have the same format as the website here, the blue letter or blue colors and something like that. So you can just do it as you want from here. When you after you click paste, you will have this option. I will do what? Keep text only. So I will not take hyperlinks. So these are only the text, and then you can organize it, or you will merge, or you keep it as it is if you want, like this one. Now I did some text or copy text from internet to Word file. If we need to add a picture also here, or how to save pictures, so I will go back here about typography. Let's see any picture that maybe it will look good. Let's assume this picture. I will click on it. So this is the picture. How we save it? We right click on the picture, and here we save picture as. Save picture as. And now you can pay or choose the place where you want to put the picture. For example, I'll choose desktop, and I will change the name here. I will change. I will write it typography, and click save. Now I saved the file, or I saved the picture. Let's check. I'll open desktop. This is desktop. Maybe my computer is slow a little bit. You will see now this is the picture I have. So this is the picture I saved. Until now, guys, we finish this this one and this one. We still know how to save web pages. Actually, why we should use web pages? Because sometimes when you go to the internet cafe and you have a research, you have this article, for example. No need to just copy the text. You can save this web page as it is. So just write here from tools, or actually you should write save as. Do you see from page? Here we have save as. So you will save this file as it is, or this article as it is, and you can take it with your flash and you go home and open it, and it will open the same as this one, even if you didn't have internet, because you will save it like this one as it is. Nothing will be changed. So we will go to page, save as. Here I will go to desktop, I will save it in desktop. I'll just name it typography as it is. Also here we will have different formats. Here web page HTML only and web page complete. Actually, and this is text file, it will only copy the text for you, it will not save anything else. This one it will save it as it is. I will choose the number 1 and click save, and you just need to wait a little bit until it finishes. So after it finishes, I'll just go to desktop. First I need to what? I'll close the browser. I will show you how it is done. I will close the browser. I will disconnect the internet. Now it's disconnected. You see now internet. Now I will go to desktop. This is the file that I saved. I'll just right click. I'll open it with Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. Even if you didn't have internet, look, the web page will open as it is. I'll just hold on for a second. You see everything as it is. So this is how we save web pages. The last point, guys, the last point, how we print web pages. Let's see now. I research and I like this paper or this article. I want to type it as it is. Sorry, how I want to print it as it is. So I will just go from here, printing options. Here I will click page setup. In page setup, guys, you have many things to do. You will choose the paper size. Do you want it portrait or landscape, like horizontal or vertical? You will choose the margins here, the spaces in the right and in the left, and from top and from down. You will choose what you will have here in the margins. For example, the header, you will read the title like typography. The URL, this is the URL you will find, it will be in the paper. And you have many things you can check. I'll just choose it as it is. I'll click OK, and now I will have a preview before printing. They will say, look, your printing or your papers will look like this one. You will see here, as we choose the title here, typography Wikipedia, here the URL, here you will have the date and the page number. Look here, this file consists of 14 pages. So you can go to page 2, page 3, page 4, as you want. Do you want to remove the margins here? You don't like these ones? You can do it from here. This will add or remove the margins as you want. Here, you just make it big or small so you can see it clearly, and you have many options. You can check. Now you finished. Everything looks good. So you just click this icon and it will start printing. He will give you some printing options. What's the printer you want to use? Do you want to print all the pages from 1 to 14 or specific pages? You will click here pages and you will write, for example, only page 1. How many copies you need? Do you want only one copy or more than one copy? After you finish, you will click the printer, print, and then it's done. So this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching.